我是来自菲律宾的演员海制作人。Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. I'm an actress and producer from the Philippines. First, thank you, Direct Neil.
For this award, Taipei International Film Festival. I'm really honored to receive this, and I will use this to inspire me more. Na alam niyo, gawin ko lahat ng aking makakaya to perform at my best, not just as a singer but also as an actor. Thank you so much.
Grabe, parang kung sabi ni Gary, nakakaiyak. Iba pala parang dito ka talaga sa harap at makakakuha ng huwag muna ngayon, mamaya na. Anyway, so again, magandang gabi po rin po sa inyo lahat. At hindi, nakaka-pressure po pala talaga. At saka, ang sarap sa feeling, sobra. Thank you so much.
By the way, thank you so much NDM Studios. Maraming salamat po.
Good evening po to each and every one of you. I'm Shane Lee Santos, and as a bagong actress po, bago sa mainstream, sobrang thank you so much po, Direk.
Sabi ko kanina, wait, babatiin ko muna kayo. Good evening po sa inyo. Ang daldal no? Nakita ko kanina si Father. Pagkita ko kay Father, sabi ko, bless me, Father. Nakublinis ako ni Father. So, kanina, kwento ko lang po, galing ako dito. Ito pala yung pakiramdam na nahawakan na yung Taipei 101. Ang liit na lang pala sa personal. Charis. Hindi. Wala na akong masabi. Maraming salamat po. Hindi po, magagawa or matutupad lahat ng to kung hindi dahil sa napakasipag, napaka-talented at napaka-bait naming director, Direct Niel. This is all for you. Lahat ng nagagawa ng Malditas in Maldives. Ate Mona, this is for you, and Ate Janelle, of course. Nanala ako nung nag-Japan. And, ano ba yun, nanginginig ako? Kasi yung nanay ko, baka pagalitan ako eh. Nung nanalo ako nung nag-Japan kami, sabi ko para kay mama to, nandito yung mama ko para sa'yo to. School ka na tumayo. Hindi mo to ibibenta, ha? Wala tong pera, ha? Karangalan to, okay. Pero maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga Pilipino na nandito po para suportahan tong event na to. Maraming salamat po. Again, Shishani.
Atin ang Pilipinas, mahalin natin ang Pilipinas.
Una po, thank you so much for this award. I am very honored to receive this po, and sa totoo lang, hindi ko talaga inaasahan to. Kaya sobrang saya po ng puso ko ngayon. Maraming salamat po. Direct Nigel, asan po si Direct? Direct Nigel, thank you so much po, Miss Jan. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much po sa suporta. It is very humbling to recognize by Huawei International Film Festival po. Again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Blessed evening, everybody. My name is Jean Kelly, and I hope you guys will enjoy this song. This is my latest single. Te amo. That means I love you. Can I hear a loud cheers and claps from everyone before I say thank you so much. to thank the following people for their invaluable support to the Philippine Night of the Wuwei Taipei International Film Festival. 在我们节目正式开场之际，那么借着这个舞台，我仅代表主办方对以下人士以及机构致以12000分的感谢，感谢他们对本届电影节的大力支持。他们分别是 The Philcom Taiwan Network. Please give them a round of applause.
Receive the invitation. I was so nervous, but this is like a childhood dream, a childhood memory come back to me again, because I was just a kid when when it was 1983 that I was 10 years old. I spent a very short time in Manila because my father.
Grabe, thank you. I share this award to my, of course, Malditas and Maldives family. Directel, Miss Jan, RC, and Kiray. Grabe to... Wait lang. Father, sorry po sa suot ko. Para po kasi to sa kanya. Joke. Nice to meet you. Welcome to Taiwan.
Po ako ngayon kasi po ako'y Pilipino at mahal na mahal kong bansang Pilipinas. At dahil po dito, ako po'y naging isang aktor, producer, at isa na rin pong public servant. At bilang aktor and producer, sana po makapagpatuloy pa po tayong lahat maikwento ang kwentong Pilipino. Hindi lang po sa atin, kundi po sa lahat ng sulok ng mundo. At bilang public servant naman po, sa lahat ng mga nandirito, alam ko po nandito kayo sa Taiwan kasi po kayo Pilipino at mahal na mahal niya yung bansang Pilipinas. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng inyong pagod, hirap at pawis at inyong pagmamahal sa lahat ng inyong pamilya na nandoon sa atin.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. All of this wouldn't be possible if it wasn't for God. Si God ang reason why we are all gathered here tonight, so I offer everything to Him. Amen.
Good evening, everyone. Sorry for my voice. Excuse for my voice, but hindi siya maka-catch up sa physical activities ko. But don't get me wrong,
Maraming salamat po.
Pero sa anong taba niya?
Maraming NEM Studios, Philippines, Japan, Taipei, maraming salamat po sa mga sa naging part ng Malditas in Maldives.
Ilang taon na ba si Kiray?
Si Archie na muna.
May edad na to.
Ni hao, 1、2、3，为什么？
为什么？
大家好。
为什么？兄弟，非常感谢。
Why does Saigon never sleep at night? Why does this girl smell orange trees? How can I
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and click the bell button para ma-notify kayo sa susunod pa nating mga videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.